Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the transmitter and your phone. Plug the transmitter into the cigarette socket or charge it to full. This ensures stable output. Once done, turn the car key to accessory so the accessory circuit stays live while pairing. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is enabled and set to discoverable. This is how the two devices see each other. If the transmitter has a pairing mode button, press and hold it now to broadcast its signal for pairing. You'll now pair and sync frequencies. On your phone, pick the transmitter's name from the Bluetooth list and accept any PIN prompts. Pairing links audio output to the transmitter. Next, set the transmitter's FM carrier to an empty radio frequency. Use your car radio to scan and find a static station with minimal noise, then match that exact frequency on the transmitter. Make sure transmitter volume is mid-level, so you get clear sound without distortion when you fine-tune radio. You're at the finish line. Play music or a podcast and adjust both the car radio and transmitter volumes until audio is clean and balanced. If you hear static or dropouts, try a different FM frequency or use a short aux cable if your transmitter supports it. Moving the transmitter slightly can reduce interference from car electronics. If pairing won't take, reset the transmitter, delete the device on your phone's Bluetooth list, then repair. This often resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.